It's currently 2:44 a.m. I'm trying to get up here. Not all the way up there. I'm just trying to get right here. Would you look at this? A single lit window amongst many. I see some mirrors over here. Currently on my way to go meet up with my friends. I'm running super late right now because I can't find my phone. Whenever I start the truck up, the Bluetooth automatically connects. So I know it's in here somewhere because the music is still playing. Alright, I finally made it.
Está un señor en una troca mirando para acá in the other building.
And now from like the other window, no?
Yeah, I just saw it. If you see there's like a truck like right behind that white one.
Yes, sir. Zoom in.
And there's how do I zoom in? Oh yeah. We're about to get cops called on this real quick.
Alright, listen here, everybody watching the vlog. This probably come out in, what year is it? 24?
2024.
It's probably make it out in 2025 the way he be uploading. I'll ride with you. I mean, we're gonna start here. Oh, you're right. You hit the turbo? Oh, hell. We got the police here. Oh, hell.
Yeah, I told you.
He's facing us.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Por si acaso.
Oh shit. I wasn't recording.
Oh my god, okay, anyways. There was a cop back there, but Junior didn't get it because he wasn't recording. I just talked like so much, and anyways, we left. I don't even know how I'll show you guys if there was a cop there. We got Fernando and Chris back here. Let me do this again. But yeah, we're gonna go eat.
Ain't nobody getting that dry ass chicken. That's on you. That's probably Junior.
Full of friends.
Yeah.
Alright, I am sitting in the bed of my truck. Got Junior driving right now.
Who's gonna stop me now? Who's gonna tear me down? Remember, this is my game.
Junior, let me get off aquí and go park like down there away from the car. You can park like 2 rows down. Turn your headlights off, and then when I go like this, you turn them on, okay? Here, Chris, let me get you next to me. When I tell you go, do this. That'll tell for him to turn the lights on. Is he playing music?
Yeah, he is. So I went in there, right? I was gonna get my sushi torpedo, and I went to go pay, and she was like, "Is that all for you?" I was like, "Yeah." She's like, "Oh, you're good, you're good." Like, so I don't pay for this? She's like, "No, you can go." I was like, "Okay." So he was gonna be here at 10:20. He hasn't pulled up yet. 10:19.
He should be here any second.
Oh, is that him?
What, is that him? That's Fred?
Damn.
Nah, that's not him.